Whoop! Hi guys, this is your boy Martin from MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, so the largest European shop for Can-Am Spyder and Riker aftermarket parts. And we are still working on this beautiful Sea-to-Sky RT20 Plus for the customer. And today's video, surprise, surprise, is about installation of this pedal box. Of course, I will apply 2022 rules on all of my videos. So no bullshit around, straight to the point, and two, no video ads. So how cool is that? Enough of this. Let's get started. Doing the pedal box installation, it is straightforward. There is a manual inside, but the pedal box installation always, and doesn't matter if it's on RT or F3 or whatever, or Riker, it's always about, I would say, three things. Something to think about, locate, and three, don't forget about the last point. So, something to think about is actually where you would like to place the pedal box. Many people do hide it on your bike in the front or somewhere under the panels, like hide it next to the throttle cables. So it's because a pedal box has, of course, a Bluetooth connection, and you can, switch the modes as you like via your phone. That's something I don't like. So many people then go in RT. Actually, this installation, we will put the pedal box inside of this glove box compartment. Me personally, actually have a look. Me personally, I have it on the handlebars, and basically I'm using La Monster bar clamp. It's with the ram mount, but I have removed the ram ball or ram mount, so there is a flat area, and I'm using 3M sticker, so the unit can stick inside. Now, maybe you are thinking, like, is it possible to have a pedal box on a rails like that? Will it be not damaged? Because the other unit that I'm not talking about can get really broken on the rain. So yeah, pedal box, it's not water resistant, but it has this just tiny, the whole unit, it's just one full unit, okay? The water will not get in. It has a film against water. It's sprayed all over. There is only one unit. It's basically this micro USB port that we are using it for putting in our logic, okay, so the map or software or whatever. So if you, and this is not an advice, this is just what I do, if you silicone glue this thing, put the rubber cover on top. I have that unit for 2 years on my bike and nothing happened to it, and really the sky fell down on me several times. So, so in that case you can have it here. Today's installation, as I said, in the glove box. Now, something to locate, I think I have called the point. We always have to locate the throttle response unit, or basically where the cable connects. And on F3S, F3T, whatever F3 units, it's on this side. So where is the brake pedal? Same goes with the RT20 Plus. And now, as you can see, I have removed the side panel. How to remove the side panel? Because I'm doing so many installations that requires the removal of the side panel, I have a separate video on it, and it's popping out somewhere right over here. And if you are watching this video on MartinTheVlogger.com, and in the post related to this video, there is a video about how to remove the side panel. Now, third thing I will talk about at the end of the installation is because many people do forget to confirm the pairing. We will get there. And actually, if you forget to confirm the pairing, the unit will cause fault or error codes. So don't forget about that. As written in the manual. Okay, so what we have here is that we have a hole, so I was able to squeeze in the pedal box into the glove box compartment. The hole is drilled right on the bottom, because if you will look inside, it's quite dark here, but if you will look inside, where is the cable going? The hole under the glove box compartment, it's only on the bottom right side. So you will need to basically push these two connectors through that hole. So, and then basically what you have to do, you have to squeeze in your hand right in between is brake fluid tank, and whatever is this black thing, just squeeze the hand in like really deep. It's like up to here, like almost up to elbow, like half of the elbow, like that. So and just pull the cables out, and that's it. Now we're gonna connect them, and of course we have a piece of plastic that I will put back. Customer is well aware that there's going to be basically a hole with the plastic, and we'll try to fix it as the best as possible. All right, now I'll try to make it fast because I'm pretty sure you're getting bored. So what you need to do now is locate the correct connector. I'm not sure what I was pointing at the beginning of the video, but this is the correct connector. On here it says on the label that it's heated grip, but basically our throttle unit that goes where it is, goes all the way up, you know. These are not important, and you cannot make really a mistake. It's a 6-pin. This is the only 6-pin. So now I will just take this out, push it, take it out. It's very easy. Now basically this one you can reuse, you don't have to, because the new connectors, they have a different locking mechanism, so you will actually hear click. Again, you cannot do any mistake which side goes where, because one is male, one it's something like a female. So yeah, it's there, and this one is there as well. Of course, PedalBox comes with those zip ties, so just do the miracles with cablings. I don't have to do that, right? Now we're going here. Let me take the unit out. So what you will need to do, you will only, don't start the bike, just turn on the ignition. Now you will have several colors basically. I don't like to have it in this white because it says it's turned off. So going to yellow, or going to green, I'm sorry. Now it's quite difficult to do it with one hand, but okay. Now push both plus and minus for about 3 seconds. So you will see that it starts to flash. Great. And now it's like Night Rider, right? So what we will do, we will go all the way up to the full throttle. See, changes and release. All the way up to the full throttle and release, okay? Now, and this is where many people make the mistake, they don't hit the flashing button. So you need to, in order to confirm the pairing, you need to hit the flashing button for about 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And now we can see, because it's green, it turns into green. Now we all set. Now we can go for a ride and have fun. Done. So put the plastic bag on, secure your pedal box. Guys, this is pretty much it. I will not do Bluetooth connection because it's super easy. Everything, it's in German, it's in English. The manual is quite clear, so you cannot do any mistake. The most difficult thing is like really, where is the throttle cable, and think where would you like to put your pedal box. Guys, thank you very much for watching. In case you would like to have this unit, visit MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. I ship worldwide. And now guys, remember, always have fun.